how it will be easier to wear the hijab. Wearing the hijab is not an easy matter. It requires overcoming and strength to face one's nafs. I want to give you a little nudge that might help you make this journey easier for you. Every time, before you go out, look in the mirror and ask yourself, how would the Prophet, peace be upon him, react if he saw me in this look? Would he recognize that I am a Muslim? Or would I be able to approach him with pride? It's a tough battle against the nafs and also against the opinion of people. But always remember that by doing so, you attain the pleasure of Allah. And that should be the goal for all of us. Ramadan is approaching. Make it your goal, inshallah, to wear it correctly by then and receive many good deeds. Jazakallah.